In this video we will be showing you how you can use baking soda for general cleaning. Firstly, keep your brushes and combs clean by using baking soda, which naturally removes oil buildup and residue on your combs and brushes. Soak them in a solution of water and baking soda. Use 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a cup of water, rinse and dry thoroughly. For cleaning rugs and carpets, freshen up your rugs and carpets by sprinkling bicarbonate soda on them. Allow it to settle for around 15 minutes, then hoover. Vacuum to remove all of them. Soften surfaces. If you are cleaning bathroom tubs, sinks, and tile including glossy and fiberglass tiles, sprinkle your damp sponge with some baking soda and scrub as usual. Wipe thoroughly and dry. You can also make a paste with baking soda, liquid dish soap, and coarse salt to make a stronger cleaning solution. Allow it to settle on the surface before you clean and scour off. For hand washing pots and dishes, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the dishwater with regular dish detergent to remove grease. Polishing silver flatware. Add 3 parts baking powder to 1 part water. Make a solution that will make it easy for you to polish your silver flatware. Rub onto silverware and use a sponge or cloth to clean. Rinse thoroughly and dry for shiny silver plates and serving pieces. Cleaning tea and coffee pots. Remove coffee and tea stains by washing coffee makers and mugs in a solution of 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 part of warm water. Try soaking your mugs overnight in a solution with baking soda and detergent and scrub with a damp sponge the next morning. Serve as an oven cleaner. Sprinkle some baking soda on the bottom of ovens and spray some water to make the surface damp. Allow it to sit overnight and scrub with a sponge in th morning. Cleaning floors, using warm water that has baking soda in it. Mop and rinses your floor for a sparkling finish. Scrubbing barbecue grill. Keep your barbecue grill clean all summer by applying some baking soda on the damp brush used to scrub the grate. Thoroughly clean dirty vegetables and fruits. Put some bicarbonate soda in water and clean your veggies and fruits. Rinse them thoroughly under running water. Clean a microwave. Sprinkle some baking soda on a clean damp sponge and use it to clean the outside of your microwave. Using baking soda is highly beneficial since you will not be leaving any harsh chemical smell in your microwave, as is the case with commercial cleaners with strong scents that may find itself in your food. Use baking soda to polish furniture. It can be used to remove marks from painted furniture and walls. Cleaning and deodorizing shower curtains. Clean and deodorize your shower curtains to make them sparkle by sprinkling baking soda on a damp brush or sponge. Scrub, rinse and dry them. Cleaning sport gear. Put 4 heaped tablespoons of baking soda in 1 quart warm water. Soak your sports gear in it. Sprinkle baking soda into your gym bags and sports bags to deodorize them. You can also clean golf irons with a baking soda solution. To do this, mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 quart water and brush thoroughly. Remove grease and oil stains. You can use baking soda to clean up grease spills and light-duty oils on your garage floor or driveway. Sprinkle baking soda on the spot where spills have occurred and let it settle for some time. Use a wet brush to clean the area before rinsing and drying. Diffuse battery acid oxidization on mowers, cars, etc. using baking soda because it is a mildly alkaline. However, ensure to disconnect the battery before cleaning to avoid getting electrocuted. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.